So you just experienced your first millionaire real estate investment class with Jason Smith. How'd that go today?
It went absolutely wonderfully. I learned that I need to not be afraid to knock on the doors of multi-million-dollar properties because I might get a listing out of it.
Absolutely. So what were some of your big takeaways?
That you don't need to have a huge amount of money to invest. You just need to work with what you have and use leverage.
All right. So is there anything that you're taking outside and knocking on million-dollar homes? Anything you're taking away to implement into your business right away?
I need to be more confident in just going out there and doing the thing.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So we got Vinny Cordero here, just attended Millionaire Real Estate Investment with Jason Smith. How'd the class go today?
Class was awesome. Jason's the best.
Yeah, so what are some of the things you're going to take away from this class to implement in your business?
Man, there's so much. Honestly, it's tough to summarize it into just a couple of things, but I'm going to go straight to mindset in that, there's a ton of great information. I would encourage you to take the class, especially with Jason, to get all of the information. But in regards to how I could immediately apply it to my business, I now have the information to talk to investors, but now have the mindset too to get outside of the box on transactions and maybe become an investor myself long sooner than I thought would be possible.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for hosting.
Absolutely.